More than 150 people from government and industry participated in PSC's second annual Tech Trends Conference, PSC's premier event focused on technology issues facing the federal government. Matt Lira from the White House Office of American Innovation kicked off the conference by sharing how the administration is working to bring more innovation into government and to modernize how agencies operate, with the goal of improving citizens' experience with government. Congressman Will Hurd, who is leading efforts to upgrade government technology and improve federal cybersecurity, made the case for passing bipartisan legislation, the MGT Act, to help agencies transition to cloud computing and other modern technologies. Mr. Hurd also discussed the role of federal CIOs, implementation of FITARA, and his latest Cyber National Guard initiative, which includes a 4-year scholarship program to strengthen the U.S. cyber workforce. The Department of Homeland Security's top cybersecurity official, Jeanette Manfra, gave an update on efforts to improve the federal government and nation's cyber resiliency. In the wake of the OPM data breach, DHS is working to expand the use of continuous diagnostics and monitoring, particularly for high-value information assets. Chris Walashin, the Chief Information Security Officer at the Department of Health and Human Services, discussed cyber challenges facing the healthcare sector. HHS is standing up a new cyber center to monitor and coordinate responses to threats across the healthcare sector, where many small facilities and doctors' offices lack specialized cybersecurity staff. Rob Cook, Deputy Commissioner and Director of GSA's Technology Transformation Service, shared how modernizing legacy systems is often a lengthy triage process. TTS is focused on improving the public's experience with the government by helping agencies become more accessible, efficient, and effective. Beth Angerman, the Executive Director of Unified Shared Services Management Office at GSA, gave an engaging tech talk on how to create efficiencies and leverage the federal government's buying power through better use of shared services across the government. George Delpret from Grant Thornton unveiled the results of the 2017 Federal CIO Survey, which revealed a disconnect between senior IT leadership and those working on the ground in government technology. The closing panel discussion with the Department of Defense Deputy CIO Thomas Micheli and NASA CIO Renee Wynn was moderated by Frank Conkle from NextGov. Discussion topics range from combating cyber breaches to migrating to cloud computing and tackling cyber and IT workforce challenges. Special thanks goes to all the sponsors whose generous support made this year's Tech Trends Conference possible and a true success.